Day 4 is here of the 24 days of Hackmas with Katie. Welcome back to the channel, my lovely friends and watchers at home. So day 4, very exciting today. We are going to chat about the aromas of Christmas. And my Hackmas for you today is to bin off for a while or stick them at the back of the cupboard, all those lemon scents and all the different things that you come with your normal kind of year-round cleaning products, and go for some of the festive ones. And yes, I know the companies do this as a bit of a ploy as the lead up to Christmas, but why not? So my favourite thing at the moment is the spray wipe done by Flash in the Sugar Plum edition, which is beautifully festive but not overpowering. But then use things like wax melts, use scented candles, use the festive sprays for in your rooms or the diffusers. There's loads of different things you can do, but there's also one you can do without buying a product. If you put your slow cooker on really low, fill it with water, and then use either essential oils, you can use oranges, use the pith off the top, grind and peel it off. You can use cinnamon sticks in there, different spices, and let it just sit. Now, it's not for drinking, it's not for eating, but it just fills your house with the most wonderful Christmassy aromas. So Christmas isn't just about the sparkle and the glitz and the glamour. Make it an all-round scent sensation. Give it a go, why not? If you've got a hack that you think you enjoy, make sure you drop me a little comment so that I know and I can try it out for myself. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. Bye guys.